Hi everyone, I am Harshu and welcome back to my channel Food by Harshu. First of all, very happy Raksha Bandhan to you all. So on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan, we brings you a very easy to make burfi recipes. One is chocolate burfi, which is very popular in kids, and second is milk kalakand. So in the first part of the video, we'll make chocolate burfi. On the second part of the video, we'll make milk cake. So let's start and let's see what are the ingredients we require for chocolate burfi. So for chocolate burfi, we need 2 cups of milk powder. If you don't have milk powder, you can make chena. And the second part of the recipe, we are showing that. And then we need 1 cup of sugar. You can adjust to your taste. 1 cup of milk. 1 tablespoon ghee or butter, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, and half tablespoon cardamom. If you don't want to add cardamom, that's fine. Now take a pan, you don't need to heat that. Add 1 cup of milk, and 2 cup of milk powder. So we'll mix it here, and we are not putting that on heat because we want the lump free mixture, and then we'll put that on heat. Keep mixing it and remove all the lumps. Now put that pan on the burner or stove and mix continuously so it will not burn from the bottom. And we need a thick bottom pan so it will not stick on the bottom. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon ghee and mix it well. Now keep mixing it till the mixture is very thick and it will leave the sides. It will not be that sticky. Now we'll add half teaspoon cardamom powder. If you don't want to put cardamom powder because it's chocolate burfi, so you can skip this part. You can also add the rose water at this point. Keep mixing it, and now we'll divide the mixture in the half, or maybe like 1/3 part you will take it and keep it aside, and the rest part will make a chocolate flavored topper for the burfi. So we'll add half cup of milk and 1 or 2 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And just be careful when you choose the cocoa powder, should not be dark chocolate. And mix it well. Now we have to repeat the same process. We have to cook it till it's thick and leave all the sides. Now this looks ready. Let it rest for some time. Now we transfer the mixture into the vessel or a molding pan. You can choose the size as you want. Try to flat the top from your hand. If you want to use any kind of spoon, you can use that also. Then after that, we'll add a layer of a chocolate top. We'll repeat the same process here. Now take some ghee on your hand and brush it on the top. We are doing this so the edges looks clean and smooth. Now let it rest for 2 hours at least. It will set properly. After 2 hours, you can add the cashew or any decoration on the top if you want. After 2 to 3 hours, it will set properly. Then you can cut it into square pieces. You can keep it for overnight also. And that's it, your chocolate burfi is ready. And kids will love this chocolate burfi. Enjoy. Now let's start the process for Kalakand. For Kalakand, ingredients we require is 4 cups of milk. You can adjust the quantity according to you. I'm just making a very little amount. And we need 1.5 cup of milk separately. 2 cups of sugar. You can adjust to your taste. 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. 1 teaspoon ghee. Some pistachio and almond, and we'll finally chop it. 2 tablespoon lemon juice and some rose water. That's optional if you want to put rose water in the Kalakand. That's it. These are the ingredients. Let's start the process now. For Kalakand, we'll add 4 cups of milk and we'll bring it to boil. Continuously stir it. When milk is boiled, we'll add 2 tablespoon lemon juice in that because we are trying to make chena with it, and stir. Now we can see the milk is separating. Now you can switch off the flame. After 2 to 3 minutes, just transfer this into strainer and remove the liquid. Just be careful when you do that, it will be very hot. And now add some cold water on it. Now squeeze it and remove the extra water. When all the extra water is removed, keep the chena aside. Now we'll mix the chena. You just have to make it little bit smoother. Now our chena is little bit smoother. We'll keep this aside. Now in a pan, we'll add 1 tablespoon ghee or butter. And then add 1.5 cups of milk. Stir continuously. We have to boil it till milk is reduced to half. Now I think it's perfect. Now we'll add chena in this. Mash and mix it well. And keep stirring it. Next goes into 1.5 cups of sugar. You can adjust there to your taste if you want more sweet or less sweet. Keep stirring it till we get a thick separate mixture, and you will see that the mixture is leaving the pan. Now we'll add half teaspoon cardamom powder. You can choose other flavor also. If you want to add rose water or kevda water, that's also good. Now transfer it into greased pan or vessel. Now with the spoon or hand, just level it up. When the kalakand is set in the vessel, we'll garnish it with finely chopped pistachio and almond, and we'll press it down so it will not fall when we'll cut it. Now we'll keep this aside for at least 2 to 3 hours or overnight. And after 2 to 3 hours or it cool down completely, we'll cut the kalakand into the pieces. And the kalakand is ready. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. I hope you like the recipes. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you next time in a new recipe. Thank you so much for watching.